Did you know a sneeze resets your nose's air filter? Sneezing isn't just an annoying tickle, it's your body's powerful way to clear out irritants and reset the sensitive hairs inside your nose. Dust, pollen, or pepper trigger nerves that signal your brain to blow out air at speeds over 100 miles per hour. This explosive gust flushes away germs and particles that could clog breathing passages. Some people have sneezing fits because their noses stay extra ticklish. Next time you sneeze loudly, remember it's your nose's quick self-cleaning mode working hard to keep every breath fresh and easy. A built-in air filter that maintains itself.